The Panama Canal, it's a shortcut, a ribbon of water. It slices through Panama, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The canal is an engineering marvel. It revolutionized global trade. Before the canal, ships had to sail around South America. This journey could take months. The Panama Canal changed everything. It shortened travel times and shipping costs. The canal is a vital link in the global supply chain. Imagine you're on a ship. You're approaching the Panama Canal. You've sailed from the Caribbean Sea. You enter the canal at the Gatun Locks. These locks are like giant steps. They lift ships 85 feet above sea level. This is how ships enter Gatun Lake. The journey continues through lush landscapes. The Gatun Locks are an engineering marvel. They have 3 chambers. Each chamber is filled with water from Gatun Lake. The water comes from Gatun Lake, which was created by damming the Chagres River. Gravity helps move the water through the locks. Constructed between 1909 and 1913, the Gatun Locks were a significant engineering challenge. As the chamber fills, the ship rises, much like a giant bathtub. Once the ship reaches the top, it enters Gatun Lake, continuing its journey. The Gatun Locks have revolutionized global trade, allowing ships to bypass the long and treacherous route around South America. Gatun Lake is huge. It's man-made. It was created when they dammed the Chagres River. The lake is crucial to the canal. It provides the water for the locks. It also acts as a waterway. Ships sail across the lake for 24 miles. They're surrounded by lush rainforest. It's a beautiful sight. Section 5. Descending with care. The Pedro Miguel and Miraflores locks. After crossing the lake, ships reach the other side. They encounter more locks. First the Pedro Miguel lock, then the Miraflores locks. These locks lower the ships back down to sea level. The process is the reverse of the Gatun Locks. Water is drained from the chamber and the ship gently descends. It's a precise and controlled descent. Finally, the ship exits the locks and continues its journey towards the ocean. Section 6. Back to the open sea, a journey's end. After the Miraflores locks, the journey is almost over. Ships exit the canal. They enter the Pacific Ocean. They're free to sail to their final destinations. The journey through the Panama Canal is complete. It's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Section 7. The engineering marvel, a symphony of water and steel. The Panama Canal is an engineering marvel. It took over 30 years to build. Thousands of workers from around the world came together. They faced many challenges, diseases, landslides, and difficult terrain, but they persevered. They used innovative techniques. They built massive concrete structures. They created a system that works in harmony with nature, a true symphony of water and steel. Section 8. A legacy of innovation. The Panama Canal's impact. The Panama Canal changed the world. It shortened shipping routes, it boosted global trade, it connected nations. It stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and collaboration. It's a reminder that we can achieve great things when we work together. Section 9. A vital waterway connecting the world. The Panama Canal remains a vital waterway today. It connects over 140 countries. It handles over 14,000 ships annually. The Panama Canal, a bridge between oceans, a symbol of progress and a vital link in our interconnected world.